few questions we get asked by customers about grease guns. What different types are there? The most common is the lever type grease gun. There also is a lever one now that's called a lube shuttle. So the cartridge goes in the base rather than goes in from the top. There's the pistol grip type one. So that's better for when you need one hand for free to hold the nozzle on. And then there's also air operated ones or battery powered ones. Can you get replacement accessories for the grease guns? You can get replacement hoses in a few different lengths, and also grease chucks is the needle point one, the 4-jaw chuck or the 3-jaw chuck. Another thing to look for with a grease gun is so it doesn't dummy lubricate the bearings that you're doing. Make sure it's got a twin O-ring system in here. So if it's not pumping grease through or it's blocked, the grease gun won't pump grease. When you're bleeding a grease gun, once you've put the cartridge in, make sure it's got a mound of grease sticking out the top of the cartridge, like an ice cream. And then you screw it into the head. And then don't do it right up tight until you've pumped it a few times and there's grease coming out the top. And then tighten it up tight, and that'll get rid of any air that's locked in the system. Real people, real gear, real fast.